Amen. It's the Fool with another trade recap. And I'm a little sick today, but we move. So I was bullish on the day because on the 4 hour, we are working with this imbalance and we come into it and close out, so you could expect it to go higher. But it was a little iffy because we did take these relative equal highs, and I wasn't sure if we're gonna take these highs, go down, and then continue up. So even though I was bullish, there was a possibility for me that we were bearish, and I ended up taking 2 trades today, 1 break even and 1 loss. So this is market open, this big line, and Nasdaq takes a lot of blows and ES doesn't, because this is ES market open. It's not even a big candle as big as Nasdaq's at least. So we have the SMT of death here, and when it does come into here, I believe it comes into an imbalance on the higher time frame, and this 30-minute imbalance, and then it closed out of it. Not only does that happen, there's a inverse fair value gap right here. So when that happened, I entered off this candle, and I like that trade. I feel like it was a good trade, but I was a little greedy with my targeting, I guess. I wanted to target these relative equal highs, and I had my stop probably like around this area, below this candle, I believe. And we rally up, but once we take these highs, which probably should have been my target, but once we take these highs, I set my stop to break even, so it's a risk-free trade. And then once that happens, price barely just goes into it, goes higher, but it never gets my full target, so probably would have been break even anyway. But I'm not mad at the trade. It was a good trade. But for my second trade, it was a loss. A little sad, but it is what it is. But since I took a break-even trade, I was like, I'll take another one, because break-even, I basically didn't even take one for real, So I marked equilibrium of the range. No, this was equilibrium at the time. No, this was equilibrium. And then there's obviously this imbalance right at the tip of equilibrium. So I put a limit order here. I wanted to see price go into there and shoot higher. So I had it something like this. And I put my stop below this imbalance right here, because I was like, maybe price goes into this imbalance and then continues higher, which it actually does do, but I still get stopped out because should have had it like this, I guess. But I'm not mad about my stop loss placement at all. And then I wanted to target these relative equal highs. And if I didn't get stopped out, I would have eventually hit my target, but hey, it is what it is. That's just the game. That's just the game. But yeah, that's just the explanation for why I took my trades.